From Aliexpress, of course. Look what I order. And what is it? It's a COB LED mini flashlight super bright outdoor emergency camping pocket lamp with tail magnet corkscrew with electric lighter. And it's around $3 or 2.78 US dollars. And I receive it very fast. Bubbles. Why? Okay. Shark. Smiling Shark. The brand is Smiling Shark. We have a short USB Type-C cable for charging. The instruction manual is inside. Alright. And it's an electric lighter with a flashlight in transparent enclosure. You can open like this. Here it is, the lighter, the push button for igniting the lighter. At front we have a big COB LED light. It have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30 LED chips inside. And here it says that the battery is 3.7 volts, 6 watts, maximum 300 milliamperes. Inside this there is a lithium battery 300 milliamperes. From side we have one button that will turn on the light, and it's super bright. Yes, it's bright. If I hold it, can I reduce the brightness? No, just on and off. And here we have the Type-C USB port for charging the battery. And when you open it, it have a electric lighter. Hold it. Oh. One more time. For about 3 seconds we have a electric heated lighter. I must try this. Whoa, very fast. Okay. And what it says in description: brightness 800 lumens, battery capacity 600 milliamperes in description, but on the flashlight or lighter it says 300 milliamperes. Light, long lasting 3 to 5 hours. Charging method Type-C charging. Light source type 30 COB wicks with electric lighter. Waterproof rating XPX7. What does it mean? I don't know. Material ABS. Single package size 95 by 55 by 27 millimeters. And doesn't says how much is weight. Let's wait. 35 grams. Okay. And I'm very curious about this screw. Why is there? Let's open. Okay. But I need to... Alright. I disassemble the button. And yes, you can remove it from the enclosure. Can be disassembled like this? Nope. Let's open. Very gentle. And voila! Here it is, the battery, the Type-C connector, the push switch, small board with some kind of integrated chip for controlling the electric lighter. So we have a timeout. I'm gonna hold it. Yes, it's around 4 to 5 seconds and then automatically turn off. Look, holding. 4, 5, 6, 5 seconds. It's around 5 seconds and then automatically turning off. And I need to know how many milliamperes it says on the battery. I need to remove this sticker. Yes, it says on the lithium battery 300 milliamperes. Alright, 300 milliamperes. Let's assemble again. Where was this one? Okay. Just to test with how many milliamperes is charging the battery. Okay, we have red light and it's pulling 400 milliamperes. That is the correct milliamperes for charging the battery. More than this, it will harm the battery, the lithium cell. Alright. For $3 you can get this kind of, let's say, camping gadget with electric lighter and a flashlight, rechargeable. It's not very heavy, 35 grams I think, yes. Okay, please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!